Social media shorthand. Using contractions in your casual posts. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to dive into the interesting world of informal writing. Specifically, we'll be focusing on using contractions in the realm of social media posts. These shortcuts not only save time and space but also add a casual and personal touch to your online interactions. Contractions are a key part of the English language. They are formed by combining two words and usually involve replacing one or more letters with an apostrophe. For example, don't is a contraction of do not, and I'm is a contraction of I am. These short forms are widely used in spoken English and informal writing, such as social media posts. When you're using social media, it's all about creating a personal, relatable connection. That's where contractions come into play. They make your posts sound more conversational and friendly. Plus, they help you save space, a crucial factor given the character limits on platforms like Twitter. Now, let's get familiar with some common contractions. Here's a few examples. I'm for, I am. Don't for, do not. Therefore, they are. We for, we have. Can't for, cannot. In social media posts, you might see sentences like, I'm loving this new album. Don't forget to check out my latest post. They're having a big sale this weekend. We've reached 1,000 followers. Thank you, everyone. Can't wait for the weekend. While contractions are useful, there are a few things to keep in mind. Do's. Do use contractions to make your writing sound more natural and conversational. Do know the correct usage. Remember, there means they are, not there, or there. Don'ts. Don't use contractions in formal writing. They're generally considered too casual for formal documents or professional communication. Don't forget the apostrophe. The apostrophe in contractions represents missing letters and it's important not to leave it out. And there you have it. Contractions are a fantastic tool to make your social media posts more conversational, personal, and space-efficient. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding how to effectively use contractions in your social media posts. As always, practice is key. So, go ahead, start using contractions in your posts and see the difference. Until next time, happy posting!